I'm going to talk about the steering rack in a VW Transporter. This is the earlier ones, as in I think up to a T6 they've got the hydraulic steering rack. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you'll know that I'm not really a tutorials kind of person. I just want to talk about stuff and make people more confident at fixing things. So I am halfway through this job. As you can see, the steering rack's about to get pulled out the van. It comes out the driver's side. That's the only way you'll get it out without dropping the subframe. And it looks like a nightmare, but it isn't actually that bad if you've got all the correct tools. Now, the actual rack itself is only held in via 4 bolts into the subframe. So 4 bolts with 16mm heads and 4 nuts hold it in, and then it's connected. There we go. It kind of goes forward up into a little drive box up in the bulkhead somewhere. You do need to remove the middle engine mount. I think you can probably see it under there. The stood upright looks a bit like an alien. The thing stood up under there. Not too bad to take off. 4 spline bolts, 1 bolt off the top. You have to lift the engine ever so slightly just to make it wiggle free. And then obviously the track rods have to come off. Both sides. The one on the other side needs taken off completely. This one can stay on as the rack comes out. Then the new rack goes back in that way. There's 2 17mm flange nut type things on the lines here, and there's a few extra bits and bobs around your spot as you go for it. But really I just want to talk about how it comes out, because there's loads of forum posts I've seen, but not really anything talking about or showing you it actually come out of the van. So as you can see, it does come out, it does fit. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare to put the new one back in. Kind of goes upside down and rotates as it comes out, and the new one will go in upside down, and I'll rotate it and put it back up in, connect it back up to the sort of gearbox bit above, and make sure that the actual rack is set to the center. But what I did want to talk about was the new steering rack. So I was looking at pattern parts and etc. I think a new genuine rack's about £700, but I got this from Steer-Tec. Now this is a company that rebuilds steering racks. I think they used to be called Power Steering Solutions or something, but here it is. This is £100 surcharge on this, so when I send my old one back, they give me £100 back. They powder coated it or painted it or whatever afterwards. I don't really like that, but I suppose some people like it to look nice and new. But everything looks good, you know. They've cleaned up all the shaft here. It's got new inner tie rods, all new seals, all new bearings, re-greased, etc. New bushes. I mean, it looks good. So I'm going to fit this up. I might do another little bit of a video showing you it sort of wiggle back in. But yeah, just wanted to talk about doing this job because no one's really talked about it. Now I've got the van up on 4 axle stands, so I can get underneath with enough space. It's just enough space for me to lay under there and undo everything I need to undo. It's, like I said, it sounds like a nightmare job and looks like a nightmare job, but it wasn't actually that bad so far. So let me slide this new rack in.